Curious to see if our R3 can adapt to changing layouts? Let's find out. I just mapped this empty room. Let's see how it does in layout 1. Let's go. Let the challenge begin. Still not convinced? Let's try layout 2. Once again, the R3 Vac has aced the challenge. See how it adapts to different layout without kickouts or remapping? See you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Do drop us a follow on YouTube and LinkedIn. See you again.